Thanks for joining us on Bloomberg Meet. I'm in conversation with Raamdeo Agrawal of Motilal Oswal. Raamdeo, many thanks indeed for joining us. What do you believe? How do you think the markets are positioned at this point in time, coming as it does after the budget and the RBI holding policy rates?
Yeah. So, market is in very strong situation. I mean, unexpectedly very strong, much stronger than we ever thought. And I mean, some of the products have done even 15-20% return in last 1 month. So this is very unusually strong market. And we were thinking that demonetization is going to have slightly humbled result, and which is being right in the sense that the corporate results are somewhat subdued. But probably because now fixed income is looking not so attractive. And people are likely to shift a lot of money from fixed income to equities, and the flows into mutual funds in India for the first time in last 24 months, the domestic flow is bigger than FI flow, and that pull from the domestic side is keeping the market very strong, and markets are doing very well.
We've seen the Reserve Bank of India hold on to policy rates, which came as a bit of a surprise. What did you make of it, and do you believe that the window for lowering rates is over?
Yeah, so lowering was a kind of a very low probability, or maybe there was a conflict whether it will be lowered or not. So that is not a disappointment. I think the very stance being changed looks to be a little premature. I mean, probably they know it better. They have all the economists and everything. But I thought with 3.2% fiscal deficit, the back of the inflation is finally broken. We have good monsoon, good supply of food grains. So that's what my simple thinking was. But probably the global factors, the upswing in the global commodity prices, all the global economy is coming back, which is a much bigger news. That's what has kept these guys probably to keep the rate at the same level, and in fact caution them that in the next quarters and all, the inflation could actually look up and they might be a little hawkish.
You've been a big investor, bullish on India's IT sector, companies like INFOSYS and TCS. We have seen governance issues crop up in INFOSYS in the last couple of days. What is your reading of the situation?
I'm also, there's a mood spectator on this thing, but it's sad. I mean, there's a transition of one generation moving to particularly when you manage a company that closely, and then when it moves to the next generation, which is very professional. So how you let go full 100%? I think that's just about to happen. But before that, there's a last hiccup. But I wish it was not there.
One final question, and this is about the trajectory of the markets. What do you think is going to define the trajectory of markets here on? What factors will influence the move up?
As I said, the market is stronger than what I thought. So actually predicting the very short term, 1 month, 6 months, even a year is becoming very difficult. Longer term, I don't know, markets have done about 15% compounded for last 30-35 years. I don't have any reason to believe that this same 12-15% kind of trajectory will not be honored. So I am pretty sure that 3 to 5 year outlook is very good. But I think money will be made even the short run. There are always few companies which will do very well. There will be always a growth frontier because this is the fastest growing economy. So a lot of fast growing companies will come out of India, high quality companies. So we have to find 15-20 companies in our portfolio and make money. So last 3 has been very rewarding, and I'm quite sure for diligent investors, this market is a fantastic market. It's not a market for lucky guys. I mean, those who want to be lucky. It's not for them. It is for the skilled guys who can pick right stocks and build a nice portfolio and make money.
Thank you so much, Anita. Thank you so much. Thanks.